Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Anushka and this is my YouTube channel. This video is a vlog again, and this video is extremely special because it's my mama's birthday tomorrow. Today is the 24th of January and हम midnight celebrate करने वाले हैं with all her sisters and my brothers. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि mama is the happiest when she's around all of these people. So we've planned a lot of things ahead and I wanted to vlog this because to make it like a memory and also to show it to you guys whatever we'll be doing. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna have my lunch now because I'm really hungry. Leaving you guys. Woo! Oh, we are leaving. कहाँ जा रही है? हम जा रहे हैं मौसी के घर. ऐसा लग रहा है हम 5-6 दिन के लिए रहने आए हैं. Look at the number of bags that we have. Lady driver, my sister. Lady driver. This is my outfit. Finally मिल गई है मैगी after a very long time. Namaste, welcome to my vlog. Shut up. Namaste.
वैसे करती हूँ ना इसमें आपको पोल
वैसे करती हूँ ना इसमें आपको वैसे करती हूँ.
अच्छा ठीक है.
We are here for a walk and इतनी अच्छी हवा है. Wow, I love it.
डांस करके कौन चलता है? हाँ, ये सीधे सीधे चला नहीं जाता इनको. तो गाइस मैं आ चुकी हूँ एंड मैं आ चुकी हूँ किसी को लेने, जो है ये लड़की. इसको मैं किडनैप करने वाली हूँ. मजा आएगा किडनैप करने में.
कॉल खत्म हो गया ना.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
हे भगवान, यहाँ इतनी अच्छी हवा चल रही है. लेट मी टेल यू, घर जाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं है. वी हैव टू गो बिकॉज हमारा रेस्टोरेंट का रिजर्वेशन है. सो आई एम एक्साइटेड. मुझे ऑलमोस्ट 25 से 30 मिनट लगता है प्रॉपरली प्रॉपर रेडी होने में. सो या वी आर गोइंग होम अर्ली बिकॉज सबको टाइम लगता है. Guys, it's the next day and yesterday we came back home around 12:30 and we were so tired that we crashed. It's the next day, it's Mama's birthday today and we're going out for dinner to Palladium. But before that, dad has sent flowers and a cake for mama. Dad is in Goa actually, and the flowers haven't been delivered yet, and the cake is still on the way. And mama came in to my room and she's like, dad ने एक सादा bouquet भी नहीं भेजा. And I was like, I was laughing on the inside because I know he sent a bouquet and I know कि उन्होंने efforts डाले. So I was literally laughing because it's very funny, because I know how romantic these two are, and it's very cute to see them that way. Anyway, so we're going for dinner tonight. सुबह उठ के ऐसा लगता है यार कोई चाय दे दो यार बना के. I don't know मैं ठंडी कॉफ़ी कैसे पी लेती हूँ सुबह, but अभी I'm craving for a really nice hot cup of tea.
सही में थैंक यू
हेलो, वी आर बैक. मैंने जल्दी नहा लिया. मैंने पहले नहा लिया बिकॉज आई फील लाइक मुझे पीरियड्स है, सो मुझे ऐसा अनहाइजीनिक रहना पसंद नहीं है. एंड दिस इज़ माई क्यूट लिटिल ड्रेस. मैं ऑब्वियसली दोपहर में चेंज करने वाली हूँ, बट लेट्स सी व्हाट वी आर हैविंग फॉर breakfast. And obviously तुम लोग ने मॉम का रिएक्शन देख लिया होगा. शी वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग लाइक अ फ्लावर बुके. सो yeah, let's go. Hello guys, we are leaving. This is my very cute outfit. This is from Marks and Spencer. This jacket is my brother's. It's from Uniqlo, and the skirt is from Bandra's Linking Road. I got it for like 500 or 600 rupees. It's such a cute mini skirt. I love it, and I have never worn a mini skirt in my entire life. These bangles, this handsack is from Westside. I'm so excited because we're going to a really nice restaurant. Yeah, this is my outfit. We're leaving in a few minutes, and yeah, I'm very excited.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mama. Happy birthday to you.
आग में ही चला गया
अरे खिलाओ तो. How is it?
Guys, we have come to Muji. I don't know what to buy, but I'm so excited. Are you? This is a Japanese store, by the way. Unfortunate of us,
The store is closed.
the store is closed. Shit! We are heading back to where we were.
Fossil.
I wanted to show her Muji store, particularly because I've seen Muji and I've loved the collection. I got a few pieces from Uniqlo, and let's
Go to Fossil. They must be waiting.
let's go to Fossil because obviously my people are waiting over there. We are at Gaylords, if you can see. This is in Churchgate, and we came all the way from Lower Parel to have some coffee or something. And oh my god, I mean, there's Lollapalooza happening over here, and because of which there's a lot of traffic. My entire body is paining so much because of my period. I can barely walk. I can barely even, I don't know, barely can talk as well. And my body is aching, and my Marcy hasn't reached yet. I don't know what we're doing here. Just my entire body has stopped working. It's paining so much. I can't even begin to explain. This is kind of funny, but the bakery that we were supposed to go to, for which we are sitting here right now, waiting for my Marcy, is closed. It's 11:10 already and it's closed, it's shut. And so it's basically a waste of time. I'm gonna give you guys a haul as soon as I get home because I just want to talk so much. So I'm gonna give you guys like a haul of whatever I got from Uniqlo. It's not so much, but yeah, 2 pants that I literally want to show on camera because they are the best pants ever. Uniqlo does some of the best fabrics ever. Now my head, I'm not able to process anything, but yeah, let's see. I don't know. We are at Trident, you guys, and we are here for a cup of coffee. And I am literally so tired, but we are here, and let's see what I order. Hello guys, we are finally back home after a very tiring, a very long day, and I wanted to give you guys a gist of what happened. I also want to show you everything that I got from Uniqlo because Uniqlo has become my favorite brand when it comes to basics and when it comes to my everyday pajamas or my whatever. Yeah, I just wanted to give you like a quick haul because I've just bought 2 bottoms, but before that I want to give you a gist of what all happened.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
So we were waiting for my Masi to come to Gaylord's. Okay, so besides Gaylord's there's a famous bakery which serves amazing coffee. So we were supposed to go there. And we reached around 10:45 and Mossy was stuck in traffic because Lollapalooza ka festival tha and everyone was just, I mean, it was 10:30 already and 10:30 ko khatam ho raha tha Lollapalooza and everyone was just rushing in and there was a lot of traffic and uski wajah se Mossy got stuck. हमने Gaylord's में inquiry किया and Gaylord's was completely shut. Gaylord's बंद हो चुका था. उन्होंने हमको बोला कि we won't be getting the table because it's it's the closing time. I was like, oh my god, now what do we do? And हमने जब बेकरी की ओर देखा तो बेकरी भी बंद हो चुकी थी. I was on my periods and I still am and I was literally freaking out to the fact that I haven't changed my pad for like over 10 hours now and I'm just, I cannot even express the feeling. I cannot express this feeling to a man. Like, I cannot. My girls would understand. I have my periods. I'm sitting over there and I'm just freaking out like anything because my phone isn't charged. It was on 1%. And I was like, oh my god, what do we do now? We can't even blame Masi because she's stuck in traffic. But yeah, like, we were in the situation where we could do absolutely nothing. We waited for like one hour straight. We waited for 1 hour and then Mossy arrived. We ended up going to Trident to have a cup of coffee. This आधे घंटे बाद probably traffic कम होता and obviously हुआ. So हम coffee पीने Trident गए थे. Can you imagine? We sat there and I was like, I actually had a lot of food, but I was still craving for that one sip of coffee. And I was like, I have latte. I thought the latte would be like this small or like a medium-sized latte, but it was this bigger cup. I had the latte and I was like, oh my god, my stomach is literally gone. While I was walking out of the cafe, not able to walk and I feel like vomiting. I feel like I'm gonna puke and I was really restless. So I just went to the washroom, I went to the restroom and I puked everything out. I was like, oh my god, मैंने क्यों पी coffee? And I generally don't drink coffee at night because it's not good for health. But yeah, I drank a lot of coffee, like it was this big a cup, I'm not even kidding, and I don't drink this much coffee ever. Yeah, this was about my night, a part of my night, and I quickly want to show you everything that I've gotten from Uniqlo. And I'm so happy that I got it because I really wanted these two, and the moment I saw it I was like, I'm getting it. First one are these lounge pants. And these are so comfy, OMG. These are not black for your information. These are navy blue. And this is in the size medium. This is so stretchy. This is so comfy. The fabric is like feel good fabric. Next up are my favorite pair of pants. These are the lounge pants or the flared pants or whatever. Now these were introduced to me by my brother who just came in the month of October or November, and we went to Uniqlo for the first time, and he introduced this brand to me called Uniqlo, and he just took me. He's like, you're gonna experience one of the best clothing pieces ever. I was like, yeah, okay, take me there. And then he took me there, and I was like amazed. The fabric, the quality, the fit, everything was so nice. He got me one of these pants in beige color, but turns out ki wo beige color ke pants fad gaye. So I had to get new ones for me because these are so comfy. One of the bestest pants that I own. I also want to show you what my mama has got. So she's got a bag from my Masi's actually. Wait, let me put the light on. Okay, so she's got this really nice bag from my Masi's, and it's such a cool color. It's such a cool color. I love it, and it's like a tote bag, and uske andar ek bada sa pouch hai because you know, to keep all your essentials, because the tote bag doesn't have a zipper. This is the bag, and it is such a nice bag. This is from Zara. If I get the link, I'll attach it in the description box below. And look at the scarf also. Oh my god, this is such a cute scarf. Also the pouch inside, it's such a huge pouch, and it also has a zipper inside, so you can put all your essentials or whatever inside this. Oh my god, I love the color and everything. It looks so chic, and look at this. Even I can carry actually. It looks perfect. And yeah, I think I should sleep now because it's already 2:50. I will see you guys tomorrow in the morning when I wake up. Bye. We are heading to West Side because actually to see the collection, and I wasn't going, but मुझे मन किया जाने का, so we're going.